Hello students, how are you? I wish you are doing very well. So today we have a new grammar lesson and it is about prefixes and suffixes. But first of all we need to watch these three videos. Here we have video number 1 and it is about dialogue between two brothers. So let's watch.
Corona is a very dangerous virus. Do you agree?
Yes, I do agree with you, but I think I won't get infected if I go out to play a football match with my friends. We will keep some distance between us.
No, I totally disagree with you. Don't even think of it. You will be safer if you stay at home.
And here we have video number 2. It is between Haj Taibi and his doctor. Let's watch again. Haj Taibi, buy this drug from the pharmacy. Take it 3 times a day, a pill after each meal.
Thanks, doctor.
You are very welcome, but Haj Taibi, please take care of your health. Try to practice sports if you can. Drink water a lot. Try to eat healthy food and avoid unhealthy, fast and junk food. Sleep early and get up early. I am very serious, Haj Taibi. Be careful.
Thank you, doctor, for your advice. I do appreciate it.
And now, here we have the final video, and it is about a dialogue between two politicians who are making a deal to end poverty. Let's have a final watch.
Now we have an agreement between us to cooperate in order to end poverty.
Yes, we should work together in order to eradicate it. Now that we have finished watching these 3 videos, it's time to make a difference between prefixes and suffixes. Simply, prefixes come before a word and suffixes come after a word. Prefixes come at the beginning of a word and suffixes come at the end of word. It's that simple. Okay, so here we have some examples. Let's have a look at them. Now, here we have the first example, and it is the verb agree. We'll take it as a root, as we have in the first dialogue when Saeed asks his brother Adi.
Corona is a very dangerous virus. Do you agree?
Here, agree is the root word. We are going to add this as we have in the first dialogue when Saeed comes back and says to his brother,
No, I totally disagree with you. Don't even think of it. You will be safer if you stay at home.
So here we have a new word and a new meaning. And now we are going to add ment at the end of the verb agree to have a new word which has a new meaning. Agreement. As we have in dialogue number 3 when the first politician says,
Now we have an agreement between us to cooperate in order to end poverty.
As you see, we have a new word, agreement. We are going to add the prefix this to have a new word which has a new meaning, disagreement. Here in the second example we are going to take health as a root word, as we have in the second dialogue when the doctor says to Haj Taibi, "You are very welcome, but Haj Taibi, please take care of your health." And then we are going to add y and n to have 2 new adjectives, healthy and unhealthy, as you can notice in this example. Try to practice sports if you can. Drink water a lot. Try to eat healthy food and avoid unhealthy, fast and junk food. In example number 3, we have care as a root word, as we have in the example here. Very welcome back, Haj Taibi. Please take care of your health. And then I'm going to add full, as we have in the doctor's example. Sleep early and get up early. I am very serious, Haj Taibi. Be careful. And here we have N as a prefix to create a new adjective, uncareful, which means a person who doesn't care, who doesn't take care of himself, doesn't take care of his health or his studies. And I'm going here to add ness as a suffix, so to have a new word, a new noun, uncarefulness. Now let's have a look at some examples of prefixes. We have re, and it means back or again. As examples we have restart and return. Pre, it means before. As an example we have here prehistoric. Post, it means after. Here as an example post-war. Mono, it means one. Monologue. And we have die, it means two. Dialogue between two people. Bi, it means two. It is, as example here we have bicycle. We have also try, and as example we have tricycle. Multi, it means many. And here we have multicolor. Poly, it means also many, and here we have polylingual. It's a person who speaks a lot of languages, like this person here. And here we have inter, it means between or from X to Y. Here we have international as an example. In, it means within. As example we have here install. Infra, it means below. Here we have infrastructure as an example. Sub and under, both of them mean under. Here as examples we have subway and undersea. And now for negative prefixes we have this set of prefixes. We have an, in, ill and im. They mean not or simply the opposite of the word. Here we have uncomfortable, incomplete, irregular, illiterate and impossible. We have also none as a negative prefix, and it means not connected with. Here we have non-governmental as an example, and here we have this, it means the opposite, alongside with anti. And as examples we have dislike and anti-freeze. And miss, it means bad or wrong. Here we have misunderstand as an example. To form nouns we can use these suffixes. Here we have this group that contains ens, ins, ity, hood. These prefixes are usually used to describe a quality, state or condition. As examples we have ignorance, difference, necessity, neighborhood. Dom is used to describe a domain or a condition. We have as example freedom. Ness is used to describe a state or a condition, and as example we have happiness. Si, it is used to describe a quality or state. Here we have diplomacy. H, it is used to describe an action or a condition, and here we have blockage as an example. Yin, it is used to describe an action, state or process. We have criterion. Asian, it means the act of doing something. So here we have organization. Here we are in the act of organizing something. Ment, it is used to describe a quality, state, condition or a result. Here we have advertisement as an example. Ism, it is used to describe a quality, action or belief. We have here feudalism. Ship, it is used to describe a skill or condition. Here we have leadership and hardship as examples. In, the ing. It is used to describe an action, a process, a result, or a thing. Here we have explaining as an example. S, it is used to make the feminine. Lioness, here as an example. Logi, it is used to describe a science or a subject. Here we have technology and geology. To form an adjective, we have these suffixes. So here we have full. It means full of. And we have as an example beautiful. Ish, it means to have the qualities of something, or it is used to describe someone's nationality. Here an example, we have foolish and Swedish. We have here a group of suffixes that have the same meaning, again having a quality. We have ate, and, int, eri, is. The examples we have here: innate, important, precedent, obligatory, series. We can use y as well. And we have a group here, a group of suffixes that have one meaning, and it is to have a quality of something. We have ate, and, int, ori, is, and y. The examples here we have innate, important, precedent, obligatory, serious, arraigning. Eri, it means connected with. Here we have ordinary as an example. L, relating to. As an example we have critical. Ik, related to. Civic. Less, not having or used to make the opposite of an adjective. Here we have careless, and it's the opposite of careful. Able and able, it means able to be, or that may cause. Here we have comfortable and audible. To form verb suffixes, we can use ate and n. These ones mean to cause something to become. So here we have dominate and shorten. We have eyes, and it means to make something like another thing, or to act with specific qualities. Here we have criticize and economize. And we have fi. It means to make or to become. The example here we have qualify. To form adverbs, we can use li, and it means in the manner of. Here we have consequently and organically. Now it is the end of the lesson. I wish you have enjoyed watching this video, and please try to find exercises online, do them and correct yourself. You can also try to connect with your teacher so that they can help you. It's time for saying goodbye. See you later.